Hello, hello, hello. Kostas Albanidis here, and I've got one more video to show you about this amazing platform that really it gives you the opportunity to create super converting videos in just seconds. Okay, let's move on, and I'm gonna show you one more option because we said that we're gonna create all the possible videos that this platform can do. Um, so I'm gonna remind you that this is a platform that creates amazing videos, faceless videos, in just seconds. Okay, let's go on now. We're gonna go to the dashboard and we're gonna move on with AI story video. Okay, we have already I have already showcased you this function that you can easily create any kind of story and create your video just to be about 1000 characters per minute of video. Okay, uh, let's move on and we work with the first script, the interesting history here. Okay, I'm gonna click here and we're gonna use English. As I showed you before, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT here and just select to create the video starting hook for interesting history highlight. I got it here ready for you. And create a video ending CTA, subscribe and like the video for more. Okay. You see, I'm gonna click enter and we got what if I told you that one small event changed the course of history forever. Stay tuned, you're about to discover a story you won't believe. Okay, we grab this one. We move back here and paste and we grab the last one. If you ever enjoyed the glimpse into history's hidden gems, don't forget to like this video. And we got this one too. Okay, you know, you can play with that because it's really interesting. I'm gonna leave it to 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, script length. I'm gonna click to generate the script. Now this is where it's gonna create something general. Just the AI is gonna create this this content. And you see, in 1970, visionary statement named Robert, fueled by love for nature, began his journey in environmental advocacy. He saw pollution ravaging rivers and beautiful earth losing its charm due to human activities. Uh, you're gonna see that as a video because I'm gonna upload the how-to video, this one, and I'm gonna show you even the result. Let's move on. We're gonna just click next. And now I'm gonna have to select what kind of video I want to create. What's the style? Okay, I enjoyed the manga style a lot, and we can stay with manga style, or we can select Ghibli style this time, just to see the result. Okay, now the next thing is to add my my subtitles. I can just select something different every time. I'm gonna select this one this time and click next. Okay, and the last part is to select the voice. Here I'm gonna select a male and I'm gonna select a middle-aged, or even I can select an old man like that.
Once upon a time, in a quaint...
You see, all the
Voice your vision.
all those sounds are really, really amazing. I love this.
Vieux sage ou savant fou.
Okay.
Once upon...
If you really think you're
Want people to pay attention? Then make the voice sound powerful.
Yeah, that's.
And as for Cinderella and the prince, they lived happily ever after. Once upon...
Okay, let's go with David because I liked it very much. And we click generate video. Okay, that was all. That was all. And we have a faceless video, really captivating, fast paced, and that was all, really. Now you're gonna see the video about history, and you're gonna see one video that it's gonna have to do about a history event. Um, let's see the result. Okay, we are ready. Let's
That
see
one
what we've
small
done.
event changed the course of history forever. Stay tuned. You're about to discover a story you won't believe. In 1970, a visionary statesman named Robert, fueled by love for nature, began his journey in environmental advocacy. He saw pollution ravaging rivers and a beautiful earth losing its charm due to human activities. Witnessing this turmoil, Robert rallied support, urging fellow leaders to prioritize the environment. His conflict lay in battling industries resistant to change, valuing profit over preservation.
Amazing, right? I believe you agree with me that this is amazing. We made this video, and it looks like it is about 1 hour and 10. That means that some of the platforms are not gonna accept this kind of huge videos because they're more than 60 seconds. And I say that because you know, lately TikTok is accepting longer videos, and YouTube Shorts accepting longer videos, but Instagram, I don't think it's gonna accept it. So maybe I'm gonna be able to post it to Facebook. I can just create the post. You see, I can create the post here, and I can connect to a channel and just publish the post. On the other hand, I can easily find I can go back and find my project here, and I can just download the my video and upload it anywhere I want. Thank you very much for watching one more video about Short.AI. I hope you enjoyed it too, and stay tuned. We're gonna try all of the options that we have inside Short.AI, and subscribe to my channel because you're gonna be able to see even the full videos that we create with Short.AI. Feel free to click in the link in the description, and subscribe to test this amazing platform. Thank you very much. Bye bye.